guys, welcome back to another video. And today I'm here with a server called CTF, and if you know, please play it, and I will help, I will play with you. And so you know, my name is Cute Taylor. So if you didn't know, you should go and please recommend it to your friends, this channel, and I'll be doing more servers if you recommend them. Tell me how to get like mods and stuff, please, because I'm having a hard time with that. Like, can you recommend me something? And if you have a YouTube channel, leave it in the comments and I will subscribe to it. So let's go ahead and get started with this. So basically you have to get the flag of somebody else's and have to go to the other side, but I have to be real careful. So I'm in blue team, so I need to kill the red team. Okay, oh my god, they're killing over there. Oh no, they're passing through. No, they're a bunch. No, please. Cute, suckers. Heck. Hey, cute. Boo. Oh, sorry about that. Oh, geez. Come on. It just happens. Oh, darn it. Okay, you know what? I'm going to another server. I'm going to micro battles, you know. Let's go. Okay, so let's go ahead to micro battles. Just the most. None, but man. Okay, so I'm in Cookie Build, and I really recommend this Cookie Build thing. Sometimes build battles, sometimes some other things, but it's really nice, you know. And I have my own strategies to do this, so I should do it. When will it start? Like a bunch more. So you know what? I'm about to pass through. Good strategy, isn't it? Okay, green team. Okay. Oh, darn it! Here you go. Oh, there.
Siento como si Alexita me estuviera agarrando. ¿No están ahí abajo del estómago allí?
Oh, there's You know what, guys? I'm just going fighting, and I'm just going fighting because I'm not done with it. Oh.
¿Qué música? ¿Qué es eso? ¿Qué es la música de amiga? ¿Quieres comer o qué quieres? No, pero ¿quieres comer?
Darn it. Okay, guys, I'm actually ending this episode. So, if you like this video, leave a comment, please, and leave a like. And if you want me to do more things like this, subscribe to my channel and recommend them. Oh man. Okay, get over here. So hope you guys enjoyed, and if you want me to make more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and comment down below if you liked it or not. And for today, I'm going to say, if you liked it, for today, to comment, I will say, if you have any server, or if you know how to, if you know any other server, or if you have a server, tell me how to get it, and if you know any, if you know how to get any mods, then comment down below, and that's it for today. So hope you enjoyed, and bye.